She make my earthquake.
Hey guys, it's Gracie. You can see my nail chin. Alright, so I'm just gonna bend down like this. Okay, so sorry if you hear the lawnmower. Neighbors mowing their lawn, and I can't really do anything about that. So yeah. Today's video, it's gonna be a video of me getting my car looking nice. I'm about to go outside and like try to do some stuff to vacuum it out and stuff because it's really disgusting. But I have a truck. It's a 2003 Chevy S10. It was my grandpa's and then gave it to my dad, and then now my dad is like gonna let me drive it when I can drive. I am 16. I have my permit, and I will be able to get my license I think November or December. So it is currently June. So I've got a long way to go, but this truck was like, it runs nicely and everything. Like, it's a good truck. It's just like, it was really dirty, and it still is pretty dirty. So yesterday we went to the car wash and I didn't really film anything there, but I did film like a before video, so like I'll put that in now. But basically it was just like really dirty, and it's been under a tree, so it had a bunch of helicopters on it. If you know what those are, like, if you don't, I don't know if that's like a Midwest thing. Like, there's probably other names for it in other places, but that's what we call them here in the Midwest, or at least in Indiana. I don't know, or where I'm from in Indiana. It's helicopters. Alright, so it was like covered in those, and the windshield was like really disgusting. You could barely see out of it, and yeah, so the inside is still really gross. So I'm gonna like have to clean it today, and I'm supposed to wax it, but I don't know how to do anything to a car, and my dad is at work and my mom is asleep, so we're just gonna have to go with it. Also, I'm sorry that like my sheets like fall like that. Like, I don't know why. It's really annoying. Yeah, they're just gonna fall back down, but that's like the perks of living in a loft bed. Alright, sleeping in a loft bed. So yeah, I'm just gonna go outside and do that, and I'm probably gonna just film some, and yeah. Okay, so we're washing my car.
Hey, look at this bug! Oh my gosh! Look at this beetle. This is disgusting.
Look. Ew. That's why we rinsed the bucket out. Alright, anyways. So we're about to wash it. We washed it yesterday at the car wash, but now we're like actually gonna like, we're gonna wash it ourselves. And then we're gonna do the inside and the tires and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so my neighbors are probably gonna watch me, but I'm in my truck. I'm bringing on. Alright, so I'm gonna do it before the inside, but basically the first thing you need to know is we washed it, and we washed my mom's fan right there. Also my floor is rubbed out. Ew, that is so gross. I'm sorry. Alright, my neighbors are probably gonna watch me vlog. Oh, alright, my hair is also like really wet now. Not wet, but like curling. So yeah, now I'm gonna vacuum out the inside because it's really gross, and we're gonna clean it out. The outside's like not looking its best, but like it's been sitting here for a long time. Like, it's 16 years old. So yeah. Here's the inside. So this is like my door. Alright, so it's got roll down windows. So I gotta like do it myself, which I actually kind of like. So this is like the headlights and stuff, and then my brights on here for when it's night, and then this is my AC, obviously. Here's my wheel. Here's my radio.
2nd Street Bridge, 64 West.
So I got a CD player, but my dad said he doesn't know if it works. He said there might be something secondary, he's not sure. And then here's the AC. Here's the floor. Okay, so there's like a 3rd seat here, but like it's really hard to fit into. But it comes down. Oh my god, there's crap back there. Oh. And then it opens. But this is like the passenger seat. Obviously, this is like the 3rd seat, which is really annoying. Here's the cup holders, and then there's the floorboard, and then in here, yeah, basic crap. Also, I don't have a mirror right now. So gotta get some glue for it. And then here's like the back. So yeah, that is my car. Wait, does this even have a mirror? I don't have a mirror? There's one over here. Did it fall out? What? Okay. That's fine. Okay, so we just found this in the back of my truck. This is for so yeah, that's probably a machete. So that's fun. Alright. So here's the update so far. Kind of looks better. It's still kind of rough, but I mean it's always going to be due to the fact that this thing is 16 years old and sat right there for like a really long time. So it's nice. I really love this steering wheel.
Oh, yeah. I like how it's made.
Yeah, everything's pretty clean now. Not really. It's just scrubbing. Alright. That's it. Wait, where's my, oh, here it is. Here's my mirror.